How to use Bank of America Home Equity Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Bank of America offers home equity loans and lines of credit, but beginners often misread reviews and make costly mistakes. Here's how to use reviews properly. The first mistake is ignoring interest rate types. Most people get this wrong by assuming all loans have fixed rates. Reviews highlight experiences with fixed versus variable rates and how they affect monthly payments over time. Second mistake, underestimating fees and closing costs. You won't believe how many homeowners are surprised by appraisal fees, origination charges, or prepayment penalties. Honest reviews usually break down all potential costs. Third mistake, misunderstanding loan-to-value LTV limits. The surprising truth is that exceeding LTV can disqualify you or lead to higher rates. Reviews often note how much equity borrowers realistically accessed. Fourth mistake, overlooking approval timelines. Many reviews mention how long processing can take, which helps in planning renovations or debt consolidation. Finally, failing to cross-check reviews with official terms is common. Always confirm rates, eligibility, and repayment options with Bank of America directly to avoid outdated or inaccurate information. Using Bank of America Home Equity Reviews properly means understanding rate types, accounting for fees, checking LTV limits, monitoring approval timelines, and verifying official terms. Avoid these beginner mistakes to make informed borrowing decisions and maximize your home equity safely.